Cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakarewa. This time for Africa.
Hey guys, you're on the PINKICE 13 and today's video is going to be trying the Clinique 3-step skincare system. This is my mom. Her name is Patty. So let me just get that clear. This video is going to be Spanglish. I'm going to be obviously talking in English, and if you hear me speaking Spanish, it's because she speaks very minimal English. So she's gonna be doing. So you speak English? ¿Tú hablas inglés?
A little.
Por eso dije poco. So I went to Ulta. I had a haul, and me being me, every time I go, I'm like, hey, is there any samples for me? And you already know, they already be coming through. Like legit, I have 3 of these. Stop. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like meeting my mom, Patty, right here. Share this video if your mom is Hispanic. Also share this video to anybody who's interested in the Clinique, or to a friend or a family that could be interested in this Clinique product. And subscribe down below by hitting the red rectangle that says subscribe, and hit the bell button right next to it so that way we get notified the second I upload. Please help me, and thank you so much by making the PINKICE family grow. So let's start.
Okay.
So step 1 is to clear. Clean gently, thoroughly, liquid facial, mild soap. Step 2 is to purify so fresh skin surfaces. Clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator.
Step 3.
Moisturize to glow. Dramatically different moisturizing lotion. My mom is giving me my motto.
¿Ya te lavaste las manos? Please. ¿Vas a tocar mi cara? No, pero hay que lavarse las manos.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was kind of gross of me. I was about to like touch your face without washing your hands. I mean, I told her, I'm your daughter, are you grossed out about me? But then she was like, no, I'm not grossed out, but you have to wash your hands. I'm gonna wash my hands, I'll BRB. Anyways, this is the hot soap. She has to wash her own face. Because it says right here, step 1, to use with warm water, lather between palms and massage over a makeup-free face. Rinse and pat dry. Our clinically proven formulated soap cleans effectively without drying. Notice how it leaves skin feeling fresh and comfortable. Okay, we will see. Just look at her little boat. That's so cool. Yo, we got it at Ulta for like $6, I think. ¿Cuánto costó el cintillo?
$5.
5
tax.
plus the tax. You're rinsing it all off. Oh, step 1 is complete. ¿Cómo te sentís la cara?
Fresquecita, suave.
¿Sentí que le hizo algo al jabón, algo diferente que los otros? ¿Qué le sentís al jabón diferente?
Más suavidad.
So step number 2, like I said, step number 2 is a clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator to use. Sweep and enclose cotton swab lightly over face. Avoid eye area. The pad looks dirty because our comfortable non-drying formula helps lift impurities. Skin looks smoother and healthier. I don't know if like the results are gonna show up on first try, but I hope we do. I hope she feels something different. I am not being sponsored, guys, for showing you guys this. Ok. ¿Qué sentís que te hizo la cara?
Me siento como bien fresquita.
So fresh, todo fresh.
Bien, así como tiernita.
And then we're on with our last step. Moisturize to glow. According to this, it says dramatically different. Moisturizing lotion to use smooth over face or where needed. Feel it sink into skin into giving it a soft glow. Our silky formula supplies all-day hydration and skin strengthening too. Okay, we'll see if she feels super smooth, silky, glowy skin. I'll see. ¿A dónde crees que necesitas más crema?
Tal vez aquí en esta área. ¿No? Y aquí.
¿Cuáles son tus pensamientos en total sobre el producto? Entiendo que es la primera vez que usas el producto, so no puedes dar una respuesta como sí, comprarlo, y no puedes decir no lo compres para nada todavía porque no has visto los resultados de varias semanas. Pero por haberlo probado por la primera vez, ¿qué tú crees sobre todo del producto? Como tu primera impresión.
Que me siento la piel súper suave. Me siento bien fresquita la piel, como, prácticamente sedosita. Solo me toco y me siento la piel bien como tierna, bien tiernita.
¿Se me huele? It has like a baby smell, like, you know, those like types of smells that smell very like babyish. Like, what's that brand called? The Johnson? It smells like babyish. Huéleme las manos, ¿verdad que huele como a bebé? ¿A qué huele?
A bebé bien suavecito, la fragancia. Rica, bien suave.
Yeah.
Sí.
I think it smells like babyish. If you're sensitive to smells, it's not a smell that's like very overwhelming, very overpowering. Mm-hmm. But if you're a person that's really allergic to scents, then yeah, I don't recommend this product at all. But it's like, just know that it's very minimal. Remember, you could walk into your local Ulta and you could smell the products yourself. Ulta, I know, has like a little Clinique booth the second you walk in. So yeah. So nada más que decir sobre los productos.
Bueno, pues hay que atreverse a probarlo porque yo me sentí bien para hacer la primera vez. Y hija, ¿cuándo me vas a sacar? En otro video.
Y hey, vos. Voy a poner Canal Patricia mejor.
Bueno,
She wants to take over my YouTube channel, asking me, hey, when am I gonna be in another video? Pronto.
Pronto.
Maquillaje.
Maquillaje.
Yo haciendo maquillaje de mamá.
Quiero que me ponga preciosa.
So, ¿hay algo que le quieres decir a los suscriptores?
Esperamos se suscriban más. Gracias por estar viendo a mi hija. Espero se suscriban más y mire todos los programas de mi hija. Gracias por gustarle el programa de mi hija. Yo pues estoy feliz, estoy orgullosa de ella. Como le digo, yo soy un poco tímida en las cámaras, pero yo sé que mi hija no, y eso me pone orgullosa. Espero pues le haya gustado y en otra mi hija pues me va a maquillar. Bye. Gracias. Suscríbanse.
You know, my parents are from Nicaragua and my family is from Nicaragua. My mother, she was born in a city by León. It's one of like the more touristic cities. So yeah. So thank you guys so much again for watching my mom.
No.
So now you've met her, and I hope if God permits, you guys will keep on seeing her more. Unicorn! Unicorn! Ha ha ha! Now that you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for staying till the end and for meeting my mom, Patty. I hope you give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below by hitting the red rectangle that says subscribe and hit the bell button right next to it so that we get notified the second I upload. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up if you want more videos with Patty over here. So, bye guys.
Bye guys.
God bless.
God bless.
So, see you guys in my next one if God permits. Muy poquito inglés.
Soy la mamá, esto es tú y compro todo lo que quieras. I'm a boss, you a worker, yo adelante y tú atrás, tú atrás. Esta canción es pa' mi Connie y mi cuero. Un show mío lo que tuvo hace un año entero.